This is a talk I gave in Chicago at Djangocon, September 2nd, and I was experimenting with iMovie as a way of showing showing slides, but also being a little bit interesting beyond just PowerPoint or whatever. This is the TV screen at the Hyatt. I spent a fair amount of time on this picture. I was linking web development environment to theater, and the idea that your browser is a theater. It's talking through the back to Python on the server. This is very familiar to everybody in the room. We were in Djangocon after all. So anyway, the fact of Python on the server in charge or looking over the stores, being the guardian of data or treasure, that's an old idea. And I talked a lot about sort of the mythology of the reptile and stuff like that being presiding over treasure. And then I looked back on some of my earlier presentations and how I have in the past approached the whole idea of teaching Python, making a big deal out of magic names looking kind of like ribs, talking about one laptop per child, and kind of the boring way we do animation and engineering, with our very spare, stark diagrams compared to what kids like. And I think adults more and more, because we've all grown up with cartoons now. So a lot of the stuff that I've used over the years to help kids appreciate programming, I think translates into what I call andragogy. It's not just what I call it, it's a real word. It means teaching adults instead of kids. So it's not just pedagogy anymore. Model view controller. It's a big topic. I use simple geometry. A lot of it's inspired by Bucky Fuller, which is very unusual, but I think it gives me a marketing edge. The kind of stuff I cover for spatial geometry is not what you're going to find in your everyday high school, that's for sure, or college course. I go over some of the history, and then I contextualize my own life or scenario against the backdrop, of of a timeline. I made a big deal about timelines in my talk, and then I finished up by switching to my hypothetical future course for O'Reilly that uses tractors instead of turtles, tractor art instead of turtle art. It's a way of kind of a grown-up version of logo, you could say. And grown-ups definitely play games, as shown by these. This is in a nearby tavern, and also in Champaign, where I'm at here, is Wolfram headquarters. Both O'Reilly and Wolfram in a small town. This is the view from the O'Reilly headquarters, and here's their old user active sign, and today's signage is the O'Reilly School of Technology.